Hello my fellow students, this is Group 4 and we would like to discuss the localization in technology. My name is Maureen Pisa and I am here to discuss what is localization in technology. What is localization in technology? Localization in technology refers to the process of adapting software, website, or other digital content to suit the language, cultural, and regulatory requirements of specific region and target market. Localization in technology aims to create a seamless, culturally appropriate, and user-friendly experience for individuals from diverse linguistic and cultural backgrounds. This includes translating text, adjusting date and time formats, currencies, images, and other elements to make the product or service more accessible and appealing to users in different regions or countries. What is its purpose? The purpose of localization in technology is to make digital products or services more accessible, usable, and culturally relevant to users in different regions or countries. Key purposes: accessibility, compliance, and cultural relevance. Number 1. Accessibility. Localization ensures that users from different linguistic backgrounds can access and understand the product or service by providing content in the user's native language. It removes language barriers and enhances accessibility. Accessibility in localization refers to the practice of making technology and digital content accessible to people with disabilities in different language and cultural contexts. For example po, sa language, gumawa ka ng app tapos pang worldwide siya. Siyempre yung mga users na non-English speakers at hindi nakakaintindi may find it challenging. So by localizing the software into other languages, it becomes accessible, and this accessibility ensures that language barriers don't hinder users from using the product or service. Number 2, compliance. Localization helps ensures that products comply with local regulation, legal requirements, and industry standards. This may include regulatory requirements related to language, labeling, privacy, and data protection. So, compliance in localization within the technology industry refers to adhering the legal and regulatory requirements when implementing localization strategies for technology products or services. For example, yung ginawa mong social media platform ay nag-expand ng service sa inyong market tapos nakabase sa Japan. So, in order to comply the localization requirements, kailangan ng company i-adapt yung platform para ma-align sa Japanese regulation, cultural norms, and user expectations. Number 3, cultural relevance. Adapting content and messaging to align with cultural norms, customs, and sensitivities is crucial for engaging users and building trust. Localization helps avoid cultural misunderstandings and ensures that products resonate with local audiences. So, cultural relevance. Cultural sensitivity plays a vital role in how users perceive and interact with technology products. For example, yung food delivery app ay nag-expand ng service into a new market. So, this time sa Mexico naman. Cultural relevance in this context would involve adapting the app to align with Mexican culture and culinary preference. And need na nakasupport ang app sa Spanish language, which is main language sa Mexico. This would involve translating their interface, menus, and notifications into Spanish. Tapos another important inclusion pa is need mag-showcase ng popular Mexican dishes. So, the purpose of localization in technology is to bridge cultural and linguistic gaps, improve user engagement, and drive business growth in global markets by tailoring products and service to meet the unique needs and preference of users in different regions. Companies can create more meaningful experiences and establish stronger connections with their target audiences. That's all. And here's Amy Manugay to discuss the importance of localization in technology.
Cultural relevance. Adapting content and messaging to align with cultural norms, customs, and sensitive localization in technology is crucial for creating inclusive, user-friendly, and successful products and services that cater to the diverse needs and preferences of users worldwide, ultimately driving business growth and success. Success. Importance of localization for global tech adoption. Localization is essential for global tech adoption due to its numerous benefits. It enhances user experience by making technology more accessible to people from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. It opens up new markets and increases the potential user base. Localized products and services provide a competitive advantage in highly competitive markets. Localization ensures technology complies with local regulations, laws, and standards, especially in industries like finance, healthcare, and legal services. Localizing technology also enhances brand perception, fosters trust, and leads to revenue growth. It also allows companies to gather valuable feedback from users in different regions, leading to better products and services tailored to diverse user groups.
So, the importance of localization. Firstly, it improves accessibility by breaking down language barriers, ensuring that technology products and services are usable by people from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Secondly, localization enhances the user's experience by tailoring content, design elements, and functionalities to suit the cultural preference of different regions. This makes technology more intuitive and engaging the users worldwide. Localization facilitates market expansion by enabling companies to enter new markets and attract more users by adapting their offerings to local needs and preference. Furthermore, localization fosters cultural sensitivity, showing respect for diverse cultures and building trust and credibility with users. Localization is essential for creating meaningful connections with users around the world, driving business growth and fostering positive relationships with customers in diverse markets.
Cultural factors in localization. Cultural factors in localization involve significantly influence technology adoption, shaping how individuals and communities perceive, use, and integrate technology into their lives. cultural norms and values, perception of innovation and change, trust and reliability, language and communication barriers, digital literacy and education, socioeconomic factors, religious and et- ethical considerations, infrastructure and access.
So, ito yung mga ibang example ng localization in technology. Number 1, software localization. Adapting software interfaces, menus, dialog boxes, and error messages to different language and cultural norms. For example, translating a mobile app user interface into Spanish or Chinese. Number 2, website localization. Translating website content including text, images, and multimedia into multiple languages to cater to international audiences. This may also involve adjusting layout and design element to accommodate variation in text length and reading direction. Number 3, video game localization. Translating video game text, dialogue, instructions, and subtitles into multiple languages to make game accessible to players worldwide. This can also involve cultural adaptation to ensure that game content is appropriate and engaging for different audiences. Number 4, e-commerce localization. Customizing e-commerce platforms to accommodate local currencies, payment methods, shipping options, and regulations. This includes translating product description, pricing information, and checkout processes into multiple languages. Number 5, mobile app localization. Adapting mobile application to suit the linguistic and cultural preference of different regions or countries. This involves translating app content, adjusting date and time formats, and incorporating local features and functionalities. Number 6, social media localization. Tailoring social media platforms to meet the needs of users in different regions. This may involve translating interface elements, creating region-specific content, and adhering the local regulation and cultural norms. These examples illustrate how localization plays a crucial role in making technology products and services more accessible, user-friendly, and appealing to diverse audiences worldwide. That's all. Thank you.